Discover the power of positive affirmations, learn how to write your own. Ready to start manifesting your dreams? Positive affirmations can be a powerful tool in transforming your life, and writing your own is an easy way to get started. Read on for a guide on how to write effective affirmations. Introduction to Positive Affirmations. Positive affirmations are a great resource for cultivating more self-love and fostering resilience. They can help you to stay positive, attract positivity in your life, and get closer to your goals. Use powerful words, focus on the present, be specific, write what you believe, create realistic goals, be positive and encouraging, visualize your success, and practice regularly. By learning how to write positive affirmations that you truly believe in and practicing them daily, you can tap into the power of positive thinking and open yourself up to the potential of limitless success. Start with I. When it comes to writing positive affirmations, starting with the pronoun I is essential. This is because using I helps to personalize your affirmations and make them more believable. When you start with I, it makes the statement more powerful and meaningful, which can help you shift your mindset towards a more positive attitude. By focusing on the present tense and writing what you believe in, you can make sure that your positive affirmations are both believable and effective. Use powerful words. The next step in writing positive affirmations is to use powerful words. Choose words that evoke a strong emotion and that can help you create the life you want. Choose affirmations that are uplifting and inspiring, such as I am capable or I am strong. These affirmations will help you to focus on the positive and motivate you to keep going. Remember to speak in the present tense, as if you already have what you desire. This will help to create a feeling of positivity and confidence. Focus on present. The next step in writing your own positive affirmations is to focus on the present. Even if it's something you wish to accomplish in the future, come up with a way to put it in the present. For example, instead of I will start my own business one day, try I am taking steps towards starting my own business today. Focusing on the present and imagining yourself taking action will help you create affirmations that are believable and effective. Be specific. The previous section focused on the importance of using powerful words when writing positive affirmations. Now, let's look at the importance of being specific when writing your affirmations. Specificity is key when it comes to positive affirmations. The more precise your declaration is, the more effective it will be. When writing your affirmations, make sure to include details that are specific to you and your goals to make them more impactful. For example, instead of saying I will achieve success, try something like I will achieve my goal of becoming a successful entrepreneur. You can also use hand signals with students to help them remember their affirmations. Visualizing your success is also important. When you see yourself acting on what you've declared, it becomes easier to believe in yourself and your goals. Write what you believe. The previous section emphasized the importance of using powerful words and focusing on the present when writing affirmations. Now, it's time to focus on writing what you believe. Your affirmations have to be believable in order to be effective. Therefore, make sure you write things that you truly believe in. It might feel difficult at first, but eventually, your affirmations will become a part of your daily routine and you will be able to believe in them more and more with each passing day. Create realistic goals. Creating realistic goals is key to making positive affirmations work. Set yourself achievable goals, and break them down into smaller, manageable steps that you can accomplish over time. This will help you stay motivated, keep track of your progress, and celebrate your successes. When setting goals, focus on the process rather than the outcome, and be mindful of what is realistic for you. Think about what you need to do on a daily basis to get one step closer to achieving your goal. Keeping track of your progress will help you stay on track and stay focused on the journey ahead. Be positive and encouraging. Be positive and encouraging. Make sure your affirmations are positive and uplifting. Use words that motivate and encourage you to take action. Avoid negative language and feelings of doubt. Speak positively to yourself, as if you were giving advice to a close friend. Remind yourself of your progress and that you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Visualize your success. Visualizing your success is a great way to stay motivated and focused. By picturing yourself succeeding in your goals, you can remind yourself why you're working so hard and what you're striving towards. This can help to keep you on track and boost your confidence. So, while writing your positive affirmations, be sure to put some energy into visualizing the success that you desire. Practice regularly. Practicing your positive affirmations regularly is essential to making lasting, long-term changes to the ways that you think and feel. Stay positive and believe in yourself.